Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem. We have a squared minus b squared is equal to 4, a times b is equal to 2, and we have to find the value of a plus b. But before we begin, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. It is free, there's no charges on that, and you can change your mind at any time. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Now let's get started. First, let's pay attention to this first equation. We have a to the second power minus b to the second power is equal to 4. From here, let's go ahead and then raise each side of this equation to the second power. So that if we expand the left-hand side, we have a to the fourth power plus b to the fourth power minus 2 times a squared times b squared. And this is equal to 16. Now let's go ahead and then make this the subject. So we have a to the fourth power plus b to the fourth power is equal to 16 plus 2 times a squared times b squared could be written as a times b all squared. Now we know from this equation over here that a times b is 2. So we have a to the fourth power plus b to the fourth power is equal to 16 plus 2 times 2 to the power 2. So we have a to the fourth power plus b to the fourth power is equal to 2 squared is 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 16 is 24. So we're going to have 24 here. And we will call this equation 1. Then let's recall an algebraic identity, right? Let's recall that if we have x plus y all squared, if we expand this, we're going to have x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Then we will let x equal to a to the second power and then y equal to b to the second power. So this equation over here becomes a squared plus b squared all squared is equal to a squared all squared plus b squared all squared plus 2 times a squared b squared. Let's keep the left hand side. We have a squared plus b squared all squared is equal to, if we expand this, we have a to the fourth power plus b to the fourth power plus 2 times ab squared. So we have a squared plus b squared all squared is equal to, we know this value from equation 1 to be 24. So we're going to have 24 plus 2 times 2 to the power 2. So therefore, a squared plus b squared all squared is equal to, this whole thing will give us 8. 8 plus 24, that is 32. So we're going to have 32 here. We want a squared plus b squared. So let's go ahead and then take square root on each side of the equation. We have plus or minus here. This square will cancel this. Now we have a squared plus b squared is equal to plus or minus. Now note that square root of 32 could be written as square root of 16 times 2. And we can also split this as square root of 16 times square root of 2. And this will give us 4 root 2. So we're going to have plus or minus 4 root 2 here. And we will call this equation 2. Let's also recall that a plus b all squared is the same as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. From equation 2, we know a squared plus b squared to be this, right? So we're going to have a plus b all squared is equal to plus or minus 4 square root of 2 plus 2 times 2, because we have ab to be 2. So we can simplify this as a plus b all squared is equal to, I'll write this one first. We have 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2. We can form two equations here. We can have a plus b squared is equal to 4 plus 4 root 2. We can also have a plus b squared to be equal to 4 minus 4 root 2. Now, a plus b all squared is always greater than or equal to 0. On the right hand side, this is also true. This is greater than or equal to 0 as well. So this is a true statement. From this equation, this is also greater than or equal to 0. But from here, this is less than 0. So meaning this statement is false. So we won't consider this equation. Therefore, let's pay attention to this one. We can rewrite this equation as a plus b all squared is equal to 4 times 1 plus square root of 2. Now let's go ahead and then take square root on each side of the equation, so that these two will cancel this. We have a plus b is equal to plus or minus. This is the same as square root of 4 times square root of 1 plus root 2. And this implies that a plus b is equal to plus or minus 2 times square root of 1 plus root 2. And you can split this. We can have a plus b is equal to 2 square root of 1 plus root 2, or a plus b is equal to minus 2 square root of 1 plus root 2. So these are the values of a plus b. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, like the video, comment and share. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.